It's your boy Alex Tech, Audio Tech, baby. Audio Tech. Back with another one in the building. We got the Bobtot portable wireless speaker. ET310C. I guess that's the serial number. So it is 60 watts peak power. All right. Powerful, simply Type-C. 5-volt, 2-amp. It has equalizer, powerful back charge, out charge. Okay. Built-in. It does have reverse charging. Up to 33 feet, 60 hertz. I don't know what the rest of this is. IPX5 water resistant, not waterproof. So it could get soaked, but you can't submerge it in the water. So you gotta, you can't have next. You can have it next to your pool, but make sure it doesn't fall in your pool. Okay, let's get this thing open. Okay, we got the strap right here, right off the back. Even though it's not that heavy, to me it's not that heavy on the speaker. To be completely honest, guys. Yeah, see. Not even that heavy. So we got the USB type A to USB type C to charge other devices. And then we got the aux cable in case you have an old phone. Or you want to plug it up to a computer through aux. Here it goes in its full glory. The Bolt speaker. Let me angle the camera a little bit lower like this so you guys can see it better. Here we go. Here we go. Here goes the back. So this has got to be covered up right. And it does support a microphone. So you could use this as a karaoke speaker. And we also do have the USB Type-C to charge it. USB Type-A to charge other devices. We got the auxiliary cord. And a memory card slot to put in a mic. Put in basically a memory card so you guys could listen to music straight from your memory card, which I think is cool. There you go. So you gotta make sure this is sealed for it to be water resistant. And then it has this thing right here so it doesn't move, fall backwards. Now let's power this bad boy up and connect it. Okay, I think it's connected to one of my phones. Which phone did you just connect to? Not this one. Not this one. Oh my God, it connected to the one I'm recording on. Jesus A Christ. And I don't know how to turn off. I don't think I could go into the settings without messing up this live stream. Oh, yes, I can. I mean, this video. Sorry, guys. Sorry, you guys were probably hearing me through the speaker, and I didn't want that. So let's get it connected to one of my other phones. Here we go. Let's see what it comes out under. Okay, it comes out under Bolt ET310C. So exactly what it says on the box. That's what you're gonna find. There you go. It makes a little sound. Now let's play some non-copyright, and you already know what non-copyrighted song I'm going to use because it keeps me out of trouble with YouTube. This one. All right, guys, this is halfway. It doesn't have no RGB lights or anything like that. Turn it all the way up, guys. So yeah, so we got the two capacitive radiators. Great bass, but you gotta have it loud. That's the only thing about this speaker. You gotta outdoor mode is where it sounds the loudest. On non-copyrighted music, it sounds really loud. I've seen it on YouTube. You know, people that don't care about the monetization, then they'll play non-copyrighted music. So anyway, we have the two capacitive radiators that create extra bass. Then we got the two subwoofers right here. I don't know if you guys can see them. Right there, now you guys can see them. And then we got the two tweeters on each side. So one tweeter on the left, one tweeter on the right, and then the two subwoofers in the middle of the speaker. Do I like this speaker? Yes. Does it sound loud? Yes. I bought it on sale. I don't know if the speaker's still on sale. I would really have to look it up on Amazon. Because I bought this speaker last month sometime. So I got to take a picture of it like this. So look it up. And yes, it is still on sale for $59.99. The original price is $69.99. So you're saving what? 20 bucks. Yeah, 20 bucks. As you guys can see. And the affiliate link to this speaker will be in the comment section down below, pinned down below. So if you're interested, I highly recommend it. It is a great speaker. It is water resistant. It's not waterproof, so you can't dunk it in a pool. But can it get some light rain if you spill some water on it by mistake? Yes. So it's basically like your cell phone. Your cell phone is not waterproof, it's water resistant. That's what the speaker is. IPS5, water resistant. I don't know why on their description, this is what gets me confused, right? I'm going to show you guys something. It has an 8,800 milliamp battery. Right here, see? Under their own description of Bolt, right? That's the brand. This is not Amazon putting this. This is them. Under their own description, where it says 60 watts of peak power boombox, it says IPX6 waterproof outdoor speaker. You see what I'm saying? It says IPX6 waterproof. But then on their box, which is contradictory, they put IPX5 water resistant. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know what Bolt is doing here. It makes you confused when you see on the box, as you guys can see right here on the box, IPX5 water resistant speaker, whatever that says. You guys know I'm dyslexic. But then under the description of the speaker, they put this information, which is really, really confusing. IPX6 waterproof outdoor speaker. So it's really confusing. So I don't know what to believe. I don't know if to believe is what's on the box or the speaker itself. And I don't really want to put it to the test, to be honest. You know, $60 to me, it's not a little bit of money. You know what I'm saying? So I'm not going to sit here and submerge it in my bathtub and record it to try to get a point across. Because then if I drown it, they're gonna come out with the excuse that was a typo on Amazon. You should have listened to what the box said and blah, 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 blah. So anyway. So yeah, guys, I mean, I like the speaker regardless. It's a nice sounding speaker. And I like it. And I'm about to take it for a spin. So yeah, guys, if you want one, in the comment section down below, you've seen you could use it as a karaoke. It does come with the straps. It does have a huge battery. And let me see how many hours of battery life does it have. Let me see. I'll let you guys know right now before I end this this video. Keep saying live stream because I was on a live stream earlier. Let's see. If you pair two of them together, it's 100 watts, 120 watts. It's Bluetooth 5.3. It has an equalizer for indoor and outdoor mode. Okay. 60 watts. Let's see here. With that big battery, you could, it says built-in power bank. Oh, 25 hours. So it does have 25 hours of playback time. See? 25 hours of playback time on 50% battery. 50% volume. You see? So it does here under the description, it says Bluetooth 5.3. So it has the latest Bluetooth memory card slot. You could use it as a microphone too, so you can receive calls on it, which I think is cool. And right here it says IPX6 waterproof speaker. So once again, they're claiming it's waterproof. So if I decide to dunk it in water one day to put it to the test and it drowns, they got to send me a new one. And I'm going to make sure I keep this video up anyway. That's why I made sure I didn't play no copyrighted music. So you see it right here, it says it IPX6. Let me get an autofocus on my iPhone 15 Pro. There we go. IPX6 waterproof. So I'm going to go by what it says here, not on the box. I guess they made a typo on the box. That's what I'm going to say. So, you know, and the flap is big enough for it to be waterproof. So that's why I can consider it waterproof. Because if it was water resistant, it wouldn't have this flap so thick. You know, this thing is thick. It's like 1/4 of an inch thick. So it is thick, you know, and it's on there pretty tight. You know what I'm saying? It's not flimsy. And if it would have been water resistant, it would have been, I guess, kind of flimsy. They wouldn't have to really cover it up as much like my phone. These phones, my iPhone 14 Pro is water resistant. So, of course, the port and all this can get wet. And it's not going to drown unless it's submerged for more than 30 minutes underwater. So, anyway, I'm still talking about the speaker. So, yeah, guys. So, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know in the comment section if you're thinking about getting one. And remember, in the comment section down below, we will have the affiliate link available for you to make your purchase. And right now, it's on sale for $59.99 instead of $69.99. You're saving $20. So make sure you get yourself one and you thank me later. So guys, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm going to catch you guys on the next one. You all ready? And thank you for watching.